Hey guys, this is a super quick tutorial on how to achieve the same results as the Tack-It method without using actual Tack-It. Because let's face it, I can't find Tack-It anywhere. I've searched online, various craft stores, and I like to have my things on hand. I don't like waiting for them to come in the mail. So I did a little research and I found an alternate way to achieve the same results. For this tutorial, all you're going to need is a stainless steel tumbler. I've already primed mine with Rust-Oleum flat white primer. My pool noodle with a handle inside, just so I can hold it while I glitter. You're going to use a holographic or iridescent glitter of your choice. This one I got from Michael's. I used a coupon for this because I don't like paying full price for anything. This is a Mod Podge brand wide angle brush. You can use a soft brush of your choice. I just like this one because it eliminates the brush strokes and we don't like brush strokes. A little condiment cup just to pour whatever liquid you're using to adhere the glitter to the cup inside. Gloves if you're afraid of a little glitter. And here's the secret ingredient. Martha Stewart Gilding Adhesive. Can you see that? I got it from Michael's. I used a coupon. Yes, I use coupons for everything. Because I'm part of the working poor. But I like to craft. So guess what? Coupons for everything. And I just wanted to show you guys the finished product. I did one with a silver holographic glitter and it just came out so beautiful. I'm going to redo this because there's slight brush strokes here and I don't like it, so I'm gonna do another layer, but I just wanted to show you guys the finished product. Isn't this nice? Yeah, I know. So, you're also going to need 2 paper plates just to catch the glitter. There's going to be one that you're going to catch whatever doesn't adhere to the cup at first. And then once you start brushing the glitter off your cup, you may want to keep or discard that glitter, but I'm using a separate plate for that. Let's get started. So, unlike Tack-It, you don't have to dilute this. I'm just going to pour this straight into my condiment cup. Just a little. Take your brush. Ooh. And brush away. You're going to do wide strokes, very thin strokes. Now, seeing as though this cup is already white, it's kind of hard to see if I've covered the whole entire cup. So I kind of have to hold it into the light a little bit. Just to see what I'm doing. Now I feel it slightly, excuse me, I feel it slightly, getting slightly tacky. So I'm going to brush just another small layer of glitter, of adhesive. To the cup. Make sure you get the edges. You know, as brown girls, edges are very important. You know, us sisters, edges are very important. Don't neglect the edges. Now I'm going to set this aside for a little while. I do have a handheld fan just to dry this slightly. So I'll be right back. You're going to take your glitter and just lightly shake it onto the cup. Just keep shaking it. I like the side of the glitter that has a little shaker in it. It's just easier to evenly distribute your glitter onto your cup. I don't know why I have this fan on. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Make sure you get them edges. You know, I know how important edges are. Not just on cups, girls. Not just on cups. Shake off the excess. Close up your glitter. Or you're gonna have glitter everywhere. I'm gonna throw on some gloves. Now here's the trick to it all. I have an alternate plate because you don't want to contaminate the two glitters. But here's the trick. All you're gonna do is rub. Now what you're actually doing is burnishing the glitter onto the cup. Burnishing is just laying the glitter flat. Just keep rubbing and rubbing. Look at that. Oh, I see a little spot and I'm gonna have to touch that up. Look at that. Now I'm going to set this with epoxy and then add whatever vinyl to it. I just wanted to show you the results. You see how pretty that is? See? That was quick and harmless. Yes. And we're done. Shake that thing off.